Find the derivative of 3xy minus 4y squared equals 2x. And while we could solve for y, it wouldn't be very easy. So this is a case where implicit differentiation will be very useful. And so first off, this is where we think of y as an implicit function of x. So if we're doing the derivative of 3xy, that actually ends up being a product rule. So I'm looking at a product rule with part of the product is 3x and part of it is y. So first off, I leave part of it alone. So I leave the 3x alone times the derivative of y, which I'll denote dy dx. Now, I'm still doing the derivative of this piece here. This is the other half of the chain rule. Now I'm going to leave y alone times the derivative of 3x. The derivative of 3x is 3. We don't need to multiply by dx, which would be 1, but because we're doing the derivative with respect to x, we don't need it when we take the derivative of the next term. Now we'll do the derivative of minus 4y squared. This is a chain rule. So we're going to use our power rule, bring the 2 out front, so that's a minus 8y, decrease the power by 1, and then multiply by the derivative of the inside, or multiply by the derivative of y with respect to x, which is dy dx. One of the common mistakes is to forget to take the derivative of the right-hand side as well. The derivative of 2x is just 2. Once again, we don't need to multiply by a dy dx or a dx dx because we were taking the derivative of an x, a term already in terms of x. Now, we have two terms with dy dx. We want those to be on the same side, and anything without, we want to move to the other side. So I'm going to subtract the 3y off of both sides to get this out of here, because now on the left-hand side, I can factor out the dy dx. This allows me to easily solve for it. If I do that, I get left with 3x from this term, and then from this term, minus 8y. We don't have to write to the first power. And over on the right-hand side, we have 2 minus 3y. Our last step is to divide both sides by 3x minus 8y to get rid of it on the left-hand side. And that will finish off our derivative, because now we know that dy dx, now it is in terms of both x and y, which will happen a lot with implicit differentiation, but it's 2 minus 3y over 3x minus 8y.